What exactly is Geek On Demand? Geek On Demand is an on-demand IT tech support platform that connects customers with verified technology experts. Whether it's a laptop, desktop, printer, CCTV, networking, software installation, or business IT support, we provide quick and reliable assistance whenever it's needed. What makes Geek On Demand different from traditional service providers? The biggest difference is convenience and speed. Instead of searching for technicians or waiting for referrals, customers can quickly book skilled professionals through our platform. We've heard that Geek On Demand has its own AI assistant called GeekGenie. Can you tell us about it? GeekGenie is our intelligent AI chatbot designed to make IT tech support faster and more convenient. It helps users find the right services, answers common questions, guides them through the booking process, and provides instant assistance anytime, day or night. Finally, why should someone choose Geek On Demand? Because technology should make life easier, not more complicated. At Geek On Demand, our mission is to provide reliable, professional, and timely IT support through skilled experts you can trust. Geek On Demand, IT tech support anytime, anywhere. Just geek it.